Look at all these elephants behind me.
No touch, real wild, yeah.
After 10 weeks in South Sri Lanka, I finally just left, and that was 10 weeks of a lot of editing, a lot of partying, lots of making really good friends that I hope to see again. But now it's time to go, and today I'm going to Ella in the middle of Sri Lanka. But first, on the way, I'm going to this national park, and I'm going to try to go into a safari there. So I'm basically doing this safari by myself in a truck which is meant for 6 people because I can't find another group, and the people outside are just very scammy. They won't let me join a group because they make more money if I go by myself. First animal sighting, just saw a peacock. It's an interesting dynamic here. My driver's like stepping out of his window and telling me about these animals. Just saw our first elephants of the day. See a mother and a baby over there. I think we've hit the jackpot with this spot because there's tons of monkeys, including like a baby and a mother monkey, and there's a crocodile right next to them, and it's like a small crocodile, a young one, and right behind it there's a peacock, and I just saw a turtle as well, although I couldn't really film that.
Enjoy, yeah. Female body very solely and the box shape. Yeah? This one, how old is 22 years, big one 40, 30 years bigger.
Found an elephant behind us. This one's closer. This is like a 20 or 30 year old female elephant, and now all the other jeeps are coming here because everyone found an elephant.
Yes.
That was a very colorful peacock. This family of big birds that apparently eat fishes and turtle babies. Looks like they're looking for their food right now.
The family, this English friend in store.
So they're looking for fish right now. So it's starting to rain a bit, but honestly this weather is a really nice break from the extremely hot and humid weather of South Sri Lanka. Now, this is the first time in 2 months that I've been able to wear my pair of jeans and have actual pockets, so this is also nice. Finally found a male elephant too, right there.
Yeah, this is very close.
So I used to think that elephants go around and eat banana trees, but apparently that's something that only like domesticated elephants do. If they find bananas, they just like throw it away. These ones just walk around all day and eat grass. Oh god, so many elephants. Wow, okay. Look at all these elephants behind me.
No touch, real wild, yeah.
So we found a full family of elephants right here. There's a baby too. Whoop. So this is the mother or the grandmother?
Yeah. So no papa 10 years alone, yeah.
Yeah. This is the baby one, so small. That is a huge elephant. That was so cool. That huge elephant that we saw at the end, that was really lucky. Usually apparently most people don't get to see a huge elephant. Forget about seeing one that close. So I paid $13,000 for the safari, which is around like I think $45 given today's exchange rate. And at first I was wondering if I was like overpaying, but that was worth every penny. I'm so glad I got to see so many freaking animals and so many wild elephants on my first ever safari ever. Yeah, I think that's my first ever safari, which is kind of crazy. I used to be really into zoos when I was a kid. That was my favorite place to go. But then growing up I kind of realized that that's not the best way to go see animals, seeing them like caged up. So if you want to see elephants in their majestic prime, and if you have the chance, make sure you come to a safari like this where you can see them in their natural habitat. So right now I'm gonna go to Ella, take this car back, and it's actually getting dark, so I'm gonna finish the video here. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video. If you want to see more videos from me, feel free to follow my page or subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want real-time updates of what I'm doing with whatever animals, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Nadir on the Go. I'll catch you guys in the next video from probably Ella or somewhere else in Sri Lanka.